Apspothire reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're searching for a platform offering job leads or freelance opportunities, Apspothire may look promising, but most people get this wrong by assuming every listing is verified. Apspothire charges a basic membership fee of $99 per month to access job postings and contact information. Some premium packages range up to $99 per month with extra features like resume boosting and priority listings. Free users can browse limited postings, but cannot apply directly. What you get: access to curated freelance or gig opportunities, tools to enhance visibility, and a structured portal. What you give up or need to check: no guarantee of job acceptance, some listings may be outdated, and premium cost adds up if you don't use it actively. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Determine if the platform aligns with your field and location. Step 2. Read reviews about success rates and verified postings. Step 3. Use trial or free browsing first to test usefulness. Step 4. Compare subscription cost versus potential earnings from leads. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore feedback. Paying monthly without verified listings can waste both money and time. The surprising truth is that membership access doesn't equal guaranteed success. It depends on your effort and the quality of leads. In conclusion, Apspothire can be valuable if you actively leverage listings and verify opportunities. Plan your subscription carefully and use the platform strategically to maximize ROI.